Ever seen a TikTok ad so good you actually watched the whole thing? Yeah, it wasn't random. It was scripted, skit-based UGC, and this one Fiverr creator nails it every time. So here's the deal. I was running ads on Instagram and TikTok for a product launch. I had visuals, I had text overlays, I even used a trending sound, and still, the engagement, meh. Then I found this gig on Fiverr, a creator named Olivia who does multi-character UGC skit ads, and it completely changed the game. They don't just act, they create real scroll-stopping content that feels like your target customer just hit record. Multiple characters, different angles, sharp editing, and every skit tells a story that ties directly into your product or service. It looks and feels native, but it sells like a high-budget ad. Just read her reviews. Clients are calling her a marketing weapon, next-level creative, and the best investment we've made this quarter. One brand said her skits tripled their website visits in just 48 hours. Another wrote, "She gets our audience better than we do." That's the level Olivia operates at. The first video we ran, engagement shot up. Click-throughs doubled. Sales, best week of the quarter. And the best part, it didn't feel like an ad, it felt like entertainment. That's the magic. If you're building a brand on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, stop wasting money on boring content. Check out Olivia on Fiverr. Click the link in the video description. Waiting means losing potential customers.